All right, renovation update. So here is what was done today. This was the laundry room. It's looking a lot different than what you remember. Let us keep the washing machine, as I said, so we can still wash, which is great. And they have dug a big trench and a very large hole right in there in the concrete because there was some pipes that were not up to code. They weren't properly put in, and some of them were rotting actually. So we're getting that all fixed, which is great. We're gonna get, the laundry is gonna be on this side instead of more on that side, and should be good. Lots of work today with that concrete, and I'll show you because they threw the dirt that they took out in here, just in to the other portion of the garage. They're gonna have to put all or most of it back in once they fill that hole, once they get all the piping fixed and put in properly. But yeah, things are moving a little slower now because we're into, getting the plumber when the plumber can come, getting the electrician when the electrician can come. They're all busy, right? So we've got to wait for each day. But I think the plumber's coming Sunday, so things will look a lot more different than what you saw today. And here's kind of the new garbage pile, just right beside that garbage sink that used to be in the garage, or in the laundry room, sorry. So not much garbage to report, but at this stage of the renovation, the workers are kind of taking the garbage like as they work. It makes more sense, fill up the truck as you work, take it to the dump at the end of the day instead of having someone come back to grab it. It's little loads like this, so that's been pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll continue when we can.